Hey y'all, and welcome back to the farm. Well, not really, but wouldn't that be something? Today we're diving headfirst into the world of quick and easy DIY. You know that feeling when you walk into a room and think, this space needs a little something something? We've all been there. But sometimes those big renovation dreams need to wait for a free weekend, am I right? That's why I'm so excited to share these 5 amazing DIY hacks. We're talking about transformations that'll take you 10 minutes, tops. No need to clear your schedule or hire a contractor. Just grab a few simple supplies, put on your creative caps, and let's get this DIY party started. Whether you're looking to add a touch of farmhouse charm, organize your life, or just want a fun project to tackle, I promise you'll find something to love in this video. So, are you ready to transform your home, one quick project at a time? Let's do it! Okay, y'all, let's kick things off with a project that's as practical as it is charming mason jar organizers. These little beauties are not only versatile but also add a touch of rustic charm to any space. I mean, who doesn't love a good mason jar, right? They're the unsung heroes of the DIY world. They're like the blank canvases of the DIY world, ready to be transformed into something amazing. And the best part is you probably already have everything you need right in your pantry. No need for a special trip to the store. First things first, gather your jars. Don't worry about matching. The more variety, the better. Different sizes and shapes add character. Give them a good wash and let them dry completely. This step is crucial to ensure your paint adheres well. Now comes the fun part, adding a pop of color. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. Grab some leftover paint. I love using chalk paint for that vintage farmhouse look. And give your jars a quick coat. It dries fast and looks fantastic. You can go for a solid color, get creative with stripes, or even add a touch of distressing. The possibilities are endless. Let your personality shine through. Each jar can be a unique piece of art. While the paint is drying, let's talk about mounting options. This is where you can get really creative with your display. You can find some reclaimed wood for a rustic vibe, or keep it simple with a piece of plywood from the hardware store. Both options work great. A light sanding and a coat of stain or paint, and you're good to go. This step adds a polished look to your project. Now simply attach your jars to the wood using a strong glue. My trusty glue gun never lets me down, and you've got yourself a custom organizer. It's that easy. But wait, there's more. The possibilities with mason jars are truly endless. Don't limit yourself to just wood. Think outside the box. You can use sturdy clamps to hang the jars directly on a wall for a more industrial look. Think about functionality too. This method is great for saving counter space. These jars are perfect for corralling everything from paintbrushes and pens in your craft room to spices and utensils in your kitchen. They bring order and style to any space. See? I told you it was easy and so rewarding. With just a few mason jars and a touch of creativity, you've transformed your clutter into a charming display. It's amazing what a little effort can do. And that, my friends, is the magic of DIY. It's all about making something beautiful and functional with your own 2 hands. All right, folks, let's move on to a project that's all about bringing warmth and personality into your space, a DIY photo wall. Now, I'm a firm believer that our homes should tell our stories, and what better way to do that than by surrounding ourselves with our favorite memories? This hack is so easy, you won't believe it. First, grab a string of fairy lights. You know, the kind that makes everything feel magical. Choose warm white or soft yellow for a cozy ambiance. Now, find a spot on your wall where you want to create your photo display. It could be above your bed, along a hallway, or even in a cozy reading nook. Once you've got your location, it's time to hang those twinkling lights. I like to create a relaxed zigzag pattern, but you can get as creative as you like. Use small tacks or command hooks to secure the lights to the wall. Now, for the heart of the project, your photos. Gather up your favorite snapshots. Don't overthink it, just choose the ones that make you smile. To attach the photos to the lights, we're going to use mini clothespins. You can find these at most craft stores. Simply clip your photos onto the string of lights and voila! You've got yourself a personalized photo wall that glows with warmth and happy memories. It's like a little piece of your heart, shining bright for everyone to see. And the best part? This project is totally customizable. You can change out the photos whenever you want, add little notes or mementos, or even weave in some greenery for a touch of nature. Let your creativity run wild. Chapter 3. Custom Throw Pillows Designer Style on a Dime. Alright y'all, let's talk about giving your living room a quick refresh without breaking the bank. It's amazing how a few small changes can make a big impact. You know, I love a good bargain, and this next DIY hack is all about transforming those plain throw pillows into custom creations that look like they came straight out of a design magazine. It's easier than you might think. Now, I'm a big fan of fabric paint. It's a game changer for DIY projects. It's so versatile and easy to use, even for beginners. You don't need to be an artist to create something beautiful. You can find it at most craft stores in a rainbow of colors. The variety is truly inspiring. For this project, we're going to use stencils to create our designs. Stencils make it easy to achieve professional-looking results. You can buy pre-made stencils, or if you're feeling adventurous, make your own using cardboard or stencil sheets. Custom stencils can add a personal touch. Start by choosing a stencil with a design you love. This is where you can let your personality shine. It could be anything from geometric patterns to floral motifs to inspirational quotes. The options are endless. Once you've got your stencil, place it on your pillow cover and secure it with painter's tape to prevent any slipping. This step is crucial for clean lines. Now, dip your foam brush into the fabric paint, making sure to remove any excess. You don't want the paint to bleed under the stencil. Dab the paint onto the fabric through the stencil openings, using light, even strokes. Patience is key here. Don't worry if it looks a little faint at first. You can always add more coats later. Building up the color gradually ensures a smooth finish. Once you're happy with the coverage, carefully remove the stencil and let the paint dry completely. This is the moment of truth. You can speed up the drying process with a hairdryer if you're short on time. Just be sure to use a low heat setting. And that's it. You've just created custom throw pillows that reflect your unique style. It's a fun and rewarding project. The possibilities are endless with this hack. You can experiment with different colors and patterns. You can create a whole set of coordinating pillows, or mix and match different designs for an eclectic look. It's all about what makes you happy. And the best part? You can easily update your pillows whenever you want a change of scenery. It's a simple way to keep your decor fresh. Just grab some fabric paint, a new stencil, and let your creativity flow. Happy crafting! Chapter 4: DIY Candle Holders. From wine nights to cozy nights. You know those empty wine bottles you have stashed away in your recycling bin? They might seem like just another piece of trash, but they hold so much potential. Well, hold on before you toss them out. Instead of discarding them, let's give them a new life. Today, we're turning trash into treasure with this super simple DIY candle holder project. It's a fun and creative way to repurpose those bottles. It's the perfect way to add a touch of rustic elegance to your dinner table or create a cozy ambiance for a relaxing evening at home. Imagine the warm glow of candles lighting up your space. First things first, give those bottles a good wash and remove any labels. This ensures a clean surface to work with. Now here's where it gets fun. Gather your crafting tools and get ready to unleash your creativity. We're going to be using a bottle cutter to create our candle holders. This tool makes the process much easier and more precise. Don't worry, it's easier than it sounds. With a little practice, you'll be cutting bottles like a pro. You can find bottle cutters online or at most craft stores. They're affordable and a great addition to your DIY toolkit. Follow the instructions on your bottle cutter to score the glass where you want to make the cut. Precision is key here. Once you've scored the bottle, carefully apply heat to the score line using boiling water and ice water. The temperature change is crucial for a clean break. The sudden temperature change will cause the glass to break cleanly along the score line. It's like magic. Now before you handle the cut glass, make sure to smooth out any sharp edges with sandpaper. Safety first, always. This step is essential to prevent any injuries. Once your edges are smooth, you're ready to add your candles. This is where your project really starts to come together. Choose candles that fit snugly inside the bottle openings. The right fit ensures they stay in place and look great. You can use pillar candles, taper candles, or even tea lights. Each type of candle offers a different look and feel. And there you have it. Your very own DIY candle holders made from recycled wine bottles. You've just transformed those empty wine bottles into beautiful, one-of-a-kind candle holders. They make great conversation pieces and add a personal touch to your decor. Arrange them on your dining table for a touch of rustic elegance, or scatter them around your living room for a warm and inviting glow. But don't stop there. The possibilities are endless. Get creative with your designs. Personalize each candle holder to match your style. You can wrap twine around the bottles, add a touch of paint, or even fill them with decorative sand or pebbles. The options are limitless. Let your imagination run wild and make these candle holders your own. Each one can be a unique reflection of your creativity and style. It's that easy. Well, there you have it, folks. 5 easy DIY projects that'll transform your home in just 10 minutes each. I hope these simple ideas have truly inspired you to get creative and add a little personality to your space. Remember, DIY isn't about perfection. It's about having fun, expressing yourself, and creating a home that reflects who you are. So go on, grab your tools, and let's get those creative juices flowing. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any future DIY adventures. And be sure to share your amazing creations with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, happy crafting!